what is the dua for protection from every evil? There are a number of du'as. One is أعوذ بكلمات الله التامة من كل شيطان وهامة ومن كل عين لامة. And the meaning of that dua is أعوذ بكلمات الله التامة. I seek refuge in the perfect words of Allah. من كل شيطان وهامة, from every shaitan, from every Satan, evil spirit, you could call, shaitan. من كل شيطان وهامة, and everything that can harm, right? ومن كل عين لامة, and every kind of evil eye, right? Somebody having ill intent. And is having hasad and jealousy towards us, right? And the evil effects of that. So that's quite a comprehensive dua, which you can look up. Apart from that, there are the duas, like there are surahs of the Quran, like Surah An-Nas, قل أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس. Surah An-Nas. And then of course before that Surah Al-Falaq. These are surahs that are also du'as, right? That we can recite for protection from evil. Okay.